Understanding, show up, not just about appearances. Hey there, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving deep into a popular English phrase, show up. While it might seem straightforward, this little phrase has several meanings and uses. Stick with me, and by the end of this video, you'll be able to use show up like a pro. At its most basic, show up means to arrive or appear at a specific place or event. It's often used in contexts like meetings, parties, or other gatherings. Example: I invited 20 people to the party, but only 10 showed up. Example: she didn't show up for the meeting yesterday. Apart from its literal meaning, show up can also be used in a more figurative sense. 2.1. Highlighting presence. Sometimes, show up means to be present and participate actively in a situation or activity. Example: it's not enough to just attend the class. You need to show up mentally and engage with the material. 2.2. Outperforming or highlighting a contrast. Show up can also be used when someone or something outperforms another, making the other person or thing appear inferior by comparison. Example: the older model of the phone was good, but the new one really shows it up with its advanced features. Now that you know the various meanings, here are some tips. 1. Context is key. The meaning of show up can often be deduced from the situation in which it's used. 2. When in doubt, think of show up as a call to presence, whether it's physical, mental, or in contrast to something else. 3. Practice makes perfect. The more you use show up in your conversations, the more comfortable and natural it'll feel. And there you have it. Show up is a versatile phrase that can be used in many situations. Remember its primary meanings and always pay attention to context. We hope you found this video insightful. Keep showing up to learn and improve your English skills. Until next time, happy learning!